At our company Rolmako, we believe that innovative soil cultivation machines that skip plowing are the key to sustainable agriculture, which protects our planet while increasing the efficiency and productivity of farmers worldwide. Healthy soil is key to the future of our children and grandchildren. In their daily work in the field, farmers face increasingly challenging weather conditions, such as sudden rainfall or droughts, which on fields without plant cover leads to soil degradation, depletion of organic matter or destruction of aggregate structure through wind or water erosion. Mechanical soil cultivation is an increasing problem, causing crumbling, loosening, and increased erosion of cultivated layer, which accelerates mineralization and the decline of humus levels. Humus formation is favored by covering the soil surface with dense vegetation or their dead remains, balanced crop rotation, and using organic fertilizers. In such conditions, especially on weaker soils, it is difficult to achieve higher yields while continuing with the conventional soil cultivation system. The solution to some of these challenges is transitioning to a simplified soil cultivation model. This is not easy, as it requires significant expansion of crop rotation and appropriate equipment that can handle, for example, the proper management of post-harvest residues. Soil tillage can be reduced in many ways, by reducing the number of tillage operations, the working depth of agricultural tools, replacing intensive mixing treatments with others less aggressive to the soil, such as ultra-shallow cultivation. The greatest effects can be achieved by abandoning the plow in favor of simplified soil cultivation technologies, e.g. no-plow cultivation. Let me briefly introduce you to the four main cultivation technologies. Plow cultivation seeding. A traditional soil cultivation system used on most agricultural land in Poland, based on the use of plowing to loosen the soil and mixed post-harvest residues at a depth usually up to 30 cm. Simplified surface cultivation, also known as no-plow tillage. This system eliminates plowing, replacing it with shallow 0 to 15 cm or deep 15 to 35 cm cultivation across the entire surface, known as no-plow soil cultivation using a cultivator or chisel plow. Strip cultivation. Intensive tillage, i.e. deep loosening up to 30 cm and mixing of residues in planting strips. Inter-row areas remain uncultivated. Direct seeding no-till. A seeding technique without prior soil preparation, e.g. mulching plants, stubble. Depending on the field, different machines are used. On the screen you see the division of agricultural machines according to their suitability for specific cultivation technologies, divided into essential, necessary, those that may be useful, and unnecessary devices in the given soil management system. The first step after deciding to abandon plowing should be simplified cultivation across the entire surface, because it allows for a number of benefits resulting from the no-plow system, and it often can be carried out using available implements like disc harrows, cultivators, or multitask aggregates. Rolmako cultivation machines are designed with the future in mind. Let us enjoy the beauty of a balanced field. As a manufacturer of cultivation machines, we ensure that our technology supports healthy and friendly agricultural practices, leaving the soil as beautiful and fertile for future generations. We believe that every farmer using our cultivation machines should be aware that the impact on soil quality and its protection is in their hands. Our machines are designed to minimize the negative impact on the natural environment. Therefore, it is important to choose cultivation technologies suitable for different soils to increase organic matter and water capacity of the soil. The condition of the soil affects the efficiency of water and fertilizer utilization. We need to be aware of the differences between various types of soil, know our fields, and be mindful of the basic limitations that occur on them. Research from many scientific centers, including the Poznań University of Life Sciences, clearly indicates that no-plow farming helps to better endure prolonged drought compared to plow-based systems, while generating higher yields. The issue of water retention in the soil is significant for most crops sown in the spring. One of the most important is corn, as it is most often grown on light and medium soils, which have lower water capacity and poorer capillarity. In such conditions, proper preparation of the site for sowing requires special attention. When choosing no-plow technology, it is also worth focusing on cover crops intended for mulching. Cover crops sown in autumn, peas, phacelia, safeguard the soil in winter, preventing the loss of significant amounts of nutrients, and during spring vegetation, as they mineralize, they become a good source of them. Sugar beet will draw these nutrients for the following weeks of vegetation. No-plow soil cultivation, ultra-shallow tillage, and the development of seeding techniques are the main directions of development to Rolmako in the coming years. Our company consistently strives to improve and adapt the cultivation machines it produces to these innovative agricultural practices. We believe that these directions represent the future of sustainable agriculture, enabling farmers to achieve efficiency and productivity while minimizing negative impacts on the natural environment. Continued work on developing and adapting our products to these two main directions will allow farmers to achieve even better results, providing them with tools for sustainable farming success. The joy of work is our inspiration. Each Rolmako cultivation machine is designed with the protection of the farmer's most valuable treasure, his soil, in mind. Our cultivation equipment ensures that fieldwork is not only efficient, but above all safe, allowing for stress-free enjoyment of the beauty of agriculture. Our cultivation machines are created to facilitate farmers' daily tasks, providing them peace of mind and making fieldwork a source of satisfaction and pride, because true joy in farming is the harmony between efficiency and respect for the land we cultivate. Our machines are the result of many years of engineering refinement designed to meet the challenges of modern agriculture. By investing in Rolmako equipment, you are choosing not only efficiency and reliability, but also innovative solutions that help protect your natural resources and the environment. Our machines are made to maximize yields while minimizing effort and costs for the farmer. All cultivation and sowing technologies are good, and the success of a given farm depends primarily on the ability to select machines and adjust them to field conditions. Of the widely practiced crops, the most sensitive to effects of introduced simplifications and thus sowing conditions are beets and corn. Therefore, simplified cultivation is worth conducting according to the principle, as intensively as necessary, but as minimally as possible. For generations, the land tells a story of hard work, dedication, and passion. Our cultivation machines are a symbol of the continuous journey from tradition to innovation, from past to future. Rolmako shares its over 40 years of experience and expertise with you to support you in every growing season. If, like us, you care about taking care of the soil, protecting it from degradation and preserving its fertility to ensure future generations access to healthy food and to maintain harmony with nature, like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss valuable farming tips, which we regularly publish here and on our website rolmako.com. Thank you for being with us. See you in the next video.